Welcome back, friends. Today we are discussing about proper noun and common noun. Nouns are of four types: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, and collective noun. Now, look at this sentence. Ashoka was a wise king. This sentence helps us to understand two important kinds of noun.
Yes, in this sentence there are two nouns, Ashoka and king. But both are not the same type of noun.
Yes, the noun Ashoka refers to one particular king, a specific person from the history.
Whereas the noun king is a general word. It can be used for Ashoka or for any other king in the world.
So we call Ashoka a proper noun and a king a common noun.
Right. A proper noun is the name of a particular person or place. A common noun is a name that is common to all persons or things of the same kind.
Let's understand this with some more examples.
Take the sentence, Sita is a girl. Here Sita is a proper noun because it names one particular girl. But girl is a common noun because it can be used for any girl.
Similarly, Harry is a boy. Harry is a proper noun and the boy is a common noun.
Now look at places. Kolkata is a city. Kolkata is a proper noun while city is a common noun.
And India is a country. India is a proper noun and country is a common noun.
So we can say the word girl is a common noun because it is a name shared by all girls. But Sita is a proper noun because it is the name of one particular girl.
That brings us to the definitions.
Yes, a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Here, the word common means shared by all.
And a proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. The word proper means one's own.
That's why a proper noun is a person's own name or a place's own name.
There are also two important notes learners must remember.
Note 1. Proper nouns are always written with a capital letter at the beginning.
For example, Ashoka, Sita, Kolkata, India all start with capital letters.
Note 2 is very interesting. Sometimes proper nouns are used as common nouns.
For example, he was the lieutenant of his age. Here, lieutenant does not mean the actual person. It means the wisest man.
Another example, Kalidas is often called the Shakespeare of India. Here, Shakespeare means the greatest dramatist, not the actual English poet.
So, in such sentences, proper nouns are used to show a quality, not a person.
Finally, learners should remember that common nouns also include collective nouns and abstract nouns, which we will study later.
So, revise these points carefully. Practice identifying common and proper nouns in sentences, and grammar will become much easier.
Happy learning and see you in the next lesson.